Hi everyone. Welcome back to video 6. Let's master demonstrative adjectives. This and that. In just a few minutes, you'll feel much more confident and fluent when pointing things out in English. Let's go! This and that are used before a singular noun or an uncountable noun. Example: this man,
This man.
this car,
This car.
that girl,
That girl.
that cat,
That cat.
this soup,
This soup.
that water,
That water.
that music,
That music.
this money.
This money.
Now, let's practice with 3 levels. Level 1. In this level, I will say a singular noun, and this, or that, you put them in the correct order. Speak out loud after the ting. Apple. This. This apple.
This apple.
Star. That. That star.
That star.
Cat. This. This cat.
This cat.
House. That. That house.
That house.
Pen. This. This pen.
This pen.
Mountain. That. That mountain.
That mountain.
Book. This. This book.
This book.
Coffee. That. That coffee.
That coffee.
Map. This. This map.
This map.
Car. That. That car.
That car.
Box. This. This box.
This box.
Bird. That. That bird.
That bird.
City. This. This city.
This city.
Orange. This. This orange.
This orange.
Building. That. That building.
That building.
Excellent. Let's move to level 2. Sentence building. In this level, I will give you a demonstrative adjective and keywords. You need to form a complete sentence with them. Speak out loud after the ting. This man. Engineer. This man is an engineer.
This man is an engineer.
That girl. Intelligent. That girl is not intelligent.
That girl is not intelligent.
This student. Good. Is this student good?
Is this student good?
That table. Heavy. That table is heavy.
That table is heavy.
This car. Expensive. Is this car expensive?
Is this car expensive?
That house. Old. That house is old.
That house is old.
This apple. Sour. This apple is not sour.
This apple is not sour.
That bird. Beautiful. That bird is beautiful.
That bird is beautiful.
This coffee. Hot. This coffee is hot.
This coffee is hot.
That bus. Fast. That bus is not fast.
That bus is not fast.
This box. Empty. These box is empty.
These box is empty.
That child. Happy. That child is happy.
That child is happy.
This book. Interesting. Is this book interesting?
Is this book interesting?
That star. Bright. That star is bright.
That star is bright.
This orange. Sweet. Is this orange sweet?
Is this orange sweet?
Great job! Let's move to Level 3. The challenge. Look at the emojis and the keywords, then say a full sentence with them immediately. Speak out loud after the ting. Apple. Red. Is this apple red?
Is this apple red?
Girl. Student. Is that girl a student?
Is that girl a student?
Cat. Small. This cat is small.
This cat is small.
Chair. Heavy. That chair isn't heavy.
That chair isn't heavy.
Pen. Blue. Is this pen blue?
Is this pen blue?
House. Big. Is that house big?
Is that house big?
Book. New. This book is new.
This book is new.
Car. Fast. Is that car fast?
Is that car fast?
Box. Empty. This box isn't empty.
This box isn't empty.
Bird. Beautiful. That bird is beautiful.
That bird is beautiful.
Map. Old. This map is old.
This map is old.
Mountain. High. That mountain isn't high.
That mountain isn't high.
Orange. Sweet. Is this orange sweet?
Is this orange sweet?
Building. Modern. That building is modern.
That building is modern.
Student. Good. Is this student good?
Is this student good?
Fantastic! Now you can use this and that with nouns correctly. Homework. Write 2 sentences using this and that in the comments. Example. This doctor is good. If you find this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Biet and Nguyen channel. See you in video 7.